Imagine if something as simple as taking 1 spoon before bed could quietly begin repairing your body while you sleep, improving digestion, calming inflammation, supporting your heart, stabilizing blood sugar, and even helping you wake up with more energy and less pain. It sounds almost too good to be true, but science continues to show that small, consistent habits can have a powerful effect on the body, especially as we get older. Tonight, we're talking about one simple habit that millions of people around the world are already using, yet very few truly understand its full healing potential. That habit is taking 1 spoon of raw honey before going to sleep. Not candy, not processed syrup, but real, raw, unfiltered honey. When used correctly, this natural food becomes more than just something sweet. It becomes a gentle nightly therapy for your entire body. Let's start with digestion, because a healthy gut is the foundation of almost every other system in the body. As we age, stomach acid levels can decline, beneficial gut bacteria can decrease, and digestion can become slower and more uncomfortable. Raw honey contains natural enzymes that help break down food more efficiently. When you take 1 spoon before bed, these enzymes support overnight digestion and reduce fermentation in the gut, which means less bloating, less gas, and fewer stomach discomforts in the morning. Honey also acts as a mild prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your intestines. Healthier gut bacteria means better nutrient absorption, stronger immunity, and improved regularity. Many people who start this habit notice that their bowel movements become more regular and easier within a few days. Now let's talk about blood sugar, which is a major concern for adults over 45. Honey is sweet, but it behaves differently in the body compared to refined sugar. Raw honey contains natural sugars, along with antioxidants, enzymes, and trace minerals that slow down absorption. When taken in a small amount before bed, honey can help stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. This is important because blood sugar dips during sleep can trigger the release of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which may wake you up or disrupt deep sleep. By providing a gentle, steady source of glucose, honey helps prevent these dips, allowing your body to stay in a more balanced state. Better blood sugar stability overnight often leads to fewer nighttime awakenings, less sweating, and more refreshing sleep. Speaking of sleep, this is one of the most powerful benefits of taking honey before bed. Honey helps the brain release a small amount of insulin, which in turn allows tryptophan to enter the brain more easily. Tryptophan is converted into serotonin, and serotonin is then converted into melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. In simple terms, honey helps your body naturally produce more melatonin. This means falling asleep faster, staying asleep longer, and spending more time in deep, restorative sleep. Deep sleep is when the body does most of its healing, repairing tissues, balancing hormones, and strengthening the immune system. Many people report that after a week of taking 1 spoon of honey before bed, their sleep becomes deeper and more consistent without the need for sleeping pills. Now let's move to inflammation and pain, two issues that commonly affect seniors. Chronic low-grade inflammation is linked to arthritis, joint stiffness, muscle pain, heart disease, and even memory decline. Raw honey contains powerful antioxidants and natural anti-inflammatory compounds. When consumed regularly, these compounds help reduce inflammatory markers in the body. Over time, this can lead to less joint stiffness in the morning, reduced muscle soreness, and improved overall mobility. Some people even notice that nagging aches that used to greet them every morning begin to fade. This is not an overnight miracle, but with consistent use, honey can gently support the body's natural anti-inflammatory processes. Your immune system also benefits greatly from this simple habit. Raw honey contains antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to fight infections and promote healing. Taking 1 spoon before bed gives your immune system a steady supply of these protective compounds during the hours when your body is in repair mode. This can lead to fewer colds, faster recovery when you do get sick, and overall stronger immune resilience. For older adults, maintaining a strong immune system is especially important as recovery times tend to be longer with age. Let's talk about the liver, your body's main detox organ. During sleep, the liver works hard to process toxins, metabolize fats, and regulate hormones. Honey provides a gentle source of glycogen, which the liver uses as fuel to carry out these tasks. When the liver has enough fuel, it can focus more on detoxification and less on emergency glucose production. This means more efficient overnight cleansing of the blood and better metabolic balance. Over time, this support can contribute to improved energy levels, clearer skin, and better overall vitality. Heart health is another area where honey quietly helps. Raw honey contains antioxidants that protect blood vessels from oxidative damage. It also has mild effects on reducing bad cholesterol and supporting healthy blood pressure. Taking a small amount daily can contribute to better circulation and reduced strain on the heart. While honey alone is not a cure for heart disease, it can be a valuable part of a heart-healthy lifestyle when combined with good nutrition, movement, and stress management. Now let's discuss weight management, because many people struggle with stubborn weight as they age. Taking honey before bed may sound counterintuitive, but it can actually support fat metabolism. By stabilizing blood sugar and improving sleep quality, honey helps regulate hormones that control appetite and fat storage. Poor sleep is strongly linked to weight gain because it disrupts leptin and ghrelin, the hormones that signal fullness and hunger. Better sleep leads to better hormone balance, which can reduce late-night cravings and emotional eating. Some research suggests that honey may also encourage the body to burn more fat during sleep by supporting liver function and metabolic processes. Skin health is another benefit many people notice. During deep sleep, the body increases collagen production and repairs damaged skin cells. Honey's antioxidants support this process by reducing oxidative stress. Over time, this can lead to skin that looks brighter, smoother, and more hydrated. Some people also notice fewer breakouts and less dryness. This internal nourishment reflects outward in the appearance of the skin. Let's not forget brain health. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are linked to memory decline and cognitive issues. The antioxidants in raw honey help protect brain cells from damage. Improved sleep quality also plays a huge role in memory consolidation and mental clarity. Many people who adopt this habit report waking up with a clearer head, better focus, and less brain fog. So how should you take honey before bed for best results? Keep it simple. Take 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered honey about 30 minutes before bedtime. You can take it straight from the spoon or mix it into a small amount of warm water or herbal tea. Avoid mixing it with very hot liquids, as high heat can destroy some of the beneficial enzymes. Consistency is key. This is not a one-time trick, it is a nightly habit that gently supports your body over time. A few important tips. Choose high-quality raw honey, preferably organic if possible. Processed commercial honey often lacks many of the beneficial compounds found in raw honey. If you have diabetes or blood sugar concerns, start with a smaller amount and monitor how your body responds. Always consult your healthcare provider if you have medical conditions or are taking medications that affect blood sugar. Also, remember that honey is not magic. It works best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes balanced meals, movement, hydration, and good sleep habits. But what makes this habit so powerful is its simplicity. You do not need expensive supplements, complicated routines, or extreme diets. Just 1 spoon once a day before bed. Small habits done consistently create big changes over time. Many people who start this simple practice are surprised by how many areas of their health begin to improve at the same time. Better sleep, better digestion, less pain, stronger immunity, more energy, and a greater sense of well-being. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself when given the right support. Tonight, you have the opportunity to give your body that support with something natural, affordable, and easy. Try 1 spoon of raw honey before bed for 2 weeks and pay attention to how you feel. Notice your sleep, your digestion, your energy, and your overall comfort. Sometimes the most powerful healing tools are also the simplest. If you found this information helpful, remember to like the video, subscribe to Senior Health with Grace, and share this with someone who could benefit from better sleep and natural healing. Your journey to healthier aging can start tonight with just one small step.